वेलकम बैक टू येट अनदर ब्लॉग ऑफ देसी राहगीर एंड आई होप आप सब बहुत अच्छे हैं। आज है 30th की नाइट, कल 31st है। ये वीडियो कल तक आ जाएगी मोस्ट प्रोबेबली एंड इट्स गोना बी टू गुड क्योंकि पहली बार कढ़ाई पनीर बना रहा हूँ दैट टू ऑन इंडक्शन एंड आई होप आपको ये वाली वीडियो बहुत अच्छी लगे। अगर आपको इसका प्रोसेस, इसका मेकिंग अच्छा लगे, डू गिव अ लाइक and I'll try to maintain the flow of English throughout so that people who can't understand Hindi can understand English and video comes out good, understandable, and everyone can make this thing at their place. Yeah, so everyone can make it at their place. Okay, so let's continue the vlog and keep watching, guys. Do hit the subscribe button if you are new. Start off, you require some ingredients, and these ingredients are 2 onions, 2 tomatoes, 1 garlic, 1 ginger, and 1 capsicum. The capsicum should be quite big enough, and we are going to cut it in like big square pieces. Plus garlic won't be used entirely, we'll be using like 3 to 4 cloves of it, a bit of ginger, and 2 onions and tomatoes finely chopped. So let's meet once these are finely chopped. I am going to use these 3 chilies as well. If you want to use it, you can use it too.
Quiet's driving me insane. Silence rattles in my brain. Yeah, I gotta get away. Always waiting for the phone, so I built my towers tall, wandering through these empty halls. Break the cycle now, walls are coming down. I gotta make it out. Yeah, 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 yeah. Look my fear right in the eye. I just wanna feel alive. I just wanna feel alive. I just wanna feel I gotta save me from myself. This emptiness, it hurts like hell. My good intentions let me down. I keep getting in my way. My stubborn pride will dig my grave. Leaving behind with every step I take. Yeah, cycle down, walls are coming down. I gotta make it out. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Okay, so finally we have our everything is crushed, chopped finely, right? And we'll be taking some coriander leaves as well just to garnish, and that's a cheese paneer. And then we'll be needing some dry spices too for it.
Look my fear right in the eye.
We have basil over here, we have parsley that's used for garnishing, then we have black pepper, and we have, these are the dry spices required. One is black cardamom, cumin, bay leaf, cloves, pepper, and cinnamon. So we'll be using it. So let's go to the cooking now.
I just wanna feel.
Our induction based system that we'll be using to cook, so we just take the induction based utensil over it, place it over there, put it on 6 flame high. Once it's hot, we'll put some oil in it. That would be like 2 tablespoons of oil. I'll be using it by estimation. Let's add 2 tablespoons of oil in our pan. Once you feel the oil is heated up, we'll be adding our dry spices into it. We'll roast it for like a minute or so, and then we'll add are ginger garlic and fresh chilies.
I just wanna feel alive. I just wanna feel alive.
As soon as you feel okay, your ginger and garlic it's getting brown, add onions into it. Okay, if you feel your onions are not getting roasted properly and you'll be requiring some gravy for the kadai paneer, then you can use this. That's a canned tomato. You get it at Tesco, almost you get at Lidl, Aldi. In Ireland, back home we have puree form of thing. We can use it. We can use fresh tomatoes. We can use a mixer for it. So many more things can be done. As soon as you feel your onions are sorted properly, you can add capsicum into it and it will give a good texture and a good taste, you know.
I just wanna feel.
So well, I can see onion has been sorted properly, so I'll be adding capsicum into it so that you know I get a great taste. Now mix it properly. Leave it aside for 2 to 3 minutes. Capsicum won't take much time to, you know, like lose its rawness. Well, I can see my capsicum and onions have been sorted very well, so I'll be adding tomatoes into it. You know, tomatoes will give it a good taste and a texture. As I say, texture is important if you're making any dish. Now we'll let it fry for another 2 to 3 minutes. Once it's fried properly, once you can see that your tomatoes can be crushed very easily by your hand or by using a spatula, that's great. And to make it more look good, we'll be using the tomato can that we just potted. Well, I'll be adding tomatoes into it again. I added 4 teaspoons into it. And you can add some more water to it, like some water, not too much of water. And then we'll add normal spices into it, not the dry one.
Quiet's driving me insane. Silence rattles in my brain. Yeah, I gotta get away.
I'll be adding 1 spoon of, like 1 small spoon of garam masala into it, a pinch of turmeric, 1 spoon of coriander powder, salt as per your taste.
Always.
And when you go out, you almost carry magic masala with you. Your parents keep on telling you to use it, so why not use it again? We'll be using 1 Maggi masala. Don't use it completely, just use half of the packet.
Waiting for the phone, so I built my towers tall.
Now I'll be adding something extra into it, and that something extra is a tomato puree paste. You get it at any supermarket.
Through these empty halls. Break the cycle there.
And done. It will give a good sauciness to your gravy and your kadai paneer would come out good.
Walls are coming down. I gotta make it.
You'll see your gravy is almost done. It's looking kadai. We'll be adding some basil into it just for a good taste. And we'll add cheese cubes into it, that is the paneer cubes. Let it be on flame for 5 minutes and your gravy is done. Your recipe is done. We are ready to serve. Let's serve it and decorate it. We'll add some fresh coriander leaves over it, just to give a good taste. And coriander makes something, any dish, very good. And we'll be adding some parsley over it. Now add some cream over it. Some cream, not a bit. Even if you don't want to add cream, don't add it. I just add it for the taste of having cream on my कढ़ाई पनीर.
I just wanna feel alive.
Please taste and tell me how is it, Harsh bhai. So he is Harshad. He'll be telling us like how tasty is it. So we have someone who is going to judge it as well. So you can have kadai paneer with chapati and normal butter naans as well if you wish. How is it, bro?
It's very delicious.
Delicious. You recommend everyone, right? So they should like have it.
Yes, guys. Instead of going to hotel and restaurants every day, spending money, this is a simple, easy to make dish. You can try it home.
Guys, please try it and do let us know in comments whether it was good or not when you made it. It matters a lot. So let's meet again in the next vlog and wish you all a very happy new year. Let's keep growing. Let's have healthy eating. Bye bye.